How to check if WhatsApp is linked to another device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your WhatsApp account is linked to any other device. So let's get started. First step for this is you'll need to open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, you can head over to your settings on the bottom right. Now, you should be on the settings of your WhatsApp. After you're on the settings of your WhatsApp, there you'll find an option that says linked devices. Tap on that. After you tap on it, if your device is linked to, if your WhatsApp is linked to any other devices, you'll see the linked devices option and the devices that it is linked to. So there you can see that it's linked to a Windows right now. And yeah, if there are more other devices, you can see any other devices listed right here as well. And there's also an option to link more devices. So yeah, this is how you check if your WhatsApp is linked to device. Now you can tap on the device to log out of it as well, but let's not do that. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.